Attention passengers, we've now reached our destination. We hope you enjoyed the flight and have a nice day.
Welcome to Jolly Grant Airport Dehradun, Uttarakhand, India.
Haridwar is a sacred Hindu city where the holy river Ganges emerges from the Himalayan foothills into the plains, serving as a major pilgrimage site known for its temples, ashrams, and the nightly Ganga Aarti, a river worshipping ceremony. Daksheshwar Mahadev Temple. Daksheshwar Mahadev, Daksha Mahadev Temple is a Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Shiva, located in the town of Kankhal, about 4 kilometers from Haridwar, Uttarakhand, India. It is named after King Daksha Prajapati, the father of Sati. Daksha is one of the 14 Prajapatis, creator deities, who preside over procreation and are the protector of life in Hindu mythology. The present temple was built by Queen Dhankaur in 1810 and rebuilt in 1962. It is a place of pilgrimage for Shaivate devotees on Mahashivratri. Daksheshwar Mahadev Temple owes its existence to the benefaction of a prominent Gurjar queen from the Landora estate located in the Landora area of Uttarakhand. The Gurjar dynasty of Landora is credited with not only establishing but also preserving and safeguarding this revered religious temple. Legend of Daksha. Story of Daksha Yagya. As mentioned in the Mahabharata and other texts of Hinduism, King Daksha Prajapati, the father of Sati, Shiva's first wife, performed yagya at the place where the temple is situated. Although Sati felt insulted when her father did not invite Shiva to the ritual, she attended the yagya. She found that Shiva was being spurned by her father and she burnt herself in the yagya kunda itself. Shiva got angry and sent his ghas, the terrible Veerbhadra and Bhadrakali, to the ritual on the direction of Shiva. Veerbhadra appeared with Shiva's ganas in the midst of Daksha's assembly like a storm wind and waged a fierce war with the gods and mortals present, culminating in the beheading of Daksha, who was later given the head of a goat at the behest of Brahma and other gods. Much of the details of the Ashwamedha Yagna, horse sacrifice, of Daksha are found in the Vayu Purana. Other structures. Ganga's temple within Daksheshwar Mahadev temple complex. Standing next to the main temple is the Das Mahavidya temple, dedicated to the Mahavidyas. It is a venue for devotees of Devi to congregate for special pujas during the Navratri celebrations. There is also a temple in the complex dedicated to Ganga. Next to the temple is the Daksha Ghat on the Ganges and close by is the Nileshwar Mahadev temple. Dakshayagna is an important event in Hindu mythology that is narrated in various Hindu scriptures. It refers to a yagya, ritual sacrifice, organized by Daksha, where his daughter, Sati, immolates herself. The wrath of the god Shiva, Sati's husband, thereafter destroys the sacrificial ceremony. The tale is also called Dakshayagyanisha, destruction of Daksha's sacrifice. The legend forms the liturgical basis of the establishment of the Shakti Peethas, the temples of Mahadevi, the supreme deity of Shaktishma. It also becomes a prelude to the legend of Parvati, Sati's reincarnation, who later marries Shiva. The tale is mainly told in the Vayu Purana. It is also mentioned in the Kashi Kanda of the Skand Purana, the Kurm Purana, Harivamsa Purana, and the Padma Purana. The Linga Purana, Shiva Purana, and Matsya Purana also detail the incident. Variations of the legend may be observed in later Puranas, each text lending a superior account to their supreme deity, depending on Vaishnav, Shaiva, and Shakt traditions in their literature.
Om Namah Shivaya.
In the stillness I call to you. There's a name upon my tongue tonight, ancient syllables that feel like home. Shambo, echoing through the darkness. Can you hear me in this sacred space? Every breath becomes a prayer. Every heartbeat counts your rhythm.
Maya Devi Temple, Haridwar is a Hindu temple dedicated to goddess Maya in the holy city of Haridwar of Uttarakhand state in India. It is believed that the heart and navel of goddess Sati fell in the region where the temple stands today, and thus it is sometimes referred to as a Shaktpitha. Goddess Maya is the Adhisthatri deity of Haridwar. She is a three-headed and four-armed deity who is believed to be an incarnation of Shakti. Haridwar was previously known as Mayapuri in reverence to this deity. The temple is a Siddh Pitha, which are the places of worship where desires get fulfilled. It is one of three such Pithas located in Haridwar, the other two being Chandi Devi Temple and Mansa Devi Temple. Entrance of the temple. The temple dates back to the 11th century. Chandi Devi Temple, Haridwar is located in Uttarakhand. Chandi Devi Temple, Haridwar. Creator Adi Shankaracharya. Completed 1929 by Suchat Singh. Chandi Devi Temple, Haridwar is a Hindu temple dedicated to goddess Chandi Devi in the holy city of Haridwar in the Uttarakhand state of India. The temple is situated atop the Neel Parvat on the eastern summit of the Shivalik Hills, the southernmost mountain chain of the Himalayas. Chandi Devi Temple was built in 1929 by Suchat Singh in his reign as the King of Kashmir. However, the main murti of Chandi Devi at the temple is said to have been installed in the 8th century by Adi Shankaracharya, one of the greatest priests of Hindu religion. The temple, also known as Neel Parvat Tirth, is one of the Panch Tirth, 5 pilgrimages, located within Haridwar. Chandi Devi Temple is highly revered by devotees as a Siddh Pitha, which is a place of worship where desires get fulfilled. It is one of three such Pithas located in Haridwar, the other two being Mansa Devi Temple and Maya Devi Temple. Chandi Devi Trishula, Trident, at Chandi Peher, Haridwar. April 1814. Goddess Chandi, also known as Chandika, is the presiding deity of the temple. The story of the origin of Chandika is as follows. Long time ago, the demon kings Shumbha and Nishumbha had captured the kingdom of the god king of heaven, Indra, and thrown the gods from Swarga, heaven. After intense prayers by the gods, a goddess emerged from Parvati. An exceptionally beautiful woman, and amazed by her beauty, Shumbha desired to marry her. On being refused, Shumbha sent his demon chiefs Chanda and Munda to kill her. They were killed by goddess Chamunda, who originated out of Chandika's anger. Shumbha and Nishumbha then collectively tried to kill Chandika but were instead slain by the goddess. Thereafter, Chandika is said to have rested for a short while at the top of Neel Parvat, and later a temple was built here to testify the legend. Also, the two peaks located in the mountain range are called Shumbha and Nishumbha. The temple. Left, entrance to the ropeway station. Right, ropeway carrying pilgrims to the Chandi Devi Temple. The temple is located at a distance of 4 kilometers, 2.5 mi, from Har Ki Pauri. To reach the temple, one has to either follow the 3-kilometer trekking route from Chandighat and reach the shrine by climbing a number of steps, or climb the recently introduced ropeway, cable car, service. The ropeway service known as Chandi Devi Udam Khatola was introduced for the benefit of the pilgrims, and it caters to the